Good evening and welcome back to another Adventure Times vlog. Today we are doing, what are we doing, Hayley?
The new golf that's recently opened in Milton Keynes called Volcano Falls.
And it's in the Xscape Arena, the big ice, is it ice?
Xscape.
Hayley on the first hole. And bring it back. Here we go on the dyno hole. Oh, hole in one, it's going. Oh, nearly. She's got in two. That's a birdie. You got a birdie.
Oh, I've taken the lead.
Well, I've never seen this before, a crazy hole course. That you go upstairs. How cool is this?
Holes?
There is 3 holes. Make sure you get the right hole, Hayley. Otherwise there could be a disaster.
One over there.
Yes. And if you're not careful, you get the hump in the middle. Ooh, ooh.
Oh, so close.
So 3 holes, but they actually go to the hole downstairs, down there, somewhere. Where's it going to come? Oh, there it is.
Mine went straight in. Yeah. I've got it on camera.
On to hole 9 of 12. Oh, she's lost it. She's no longer Tiger. Oh dear. 4.
Can you get it in 3? And the answer is...
Yes.
Cheated.
With a dinosaur overlooking, what can Hayley do it in? It's a par 3. Do you think you could do it in par 3?
I don't know.
So she's going to start there. She's going to go. She's done it too. Lovely. Good shot.
Question is Izzy as good as me? Oh.
12th and final hole for Hayley. Has to go up there. The balls go up. And they go along this tube back to the bar. Which is pretty cool. Never seen that before. As Hayley's deciding to take as many shots as she likes to get it. Hey, she's done it.
I swear to God, if he gets this in 2, I'm going to cry. Oh! You should be ashamed. And the results are...
the results are, by the way, you do all the scoring on the app. So, put that there. Oh dear.
Oh, only just though. That was tight. That was close.
That's shocking. 55.50 out. Oh dear. So we're just ordering our food and drink that we get with the deal for the summer event that they've got going on here at the golf. And yeah, just thought I'd show you the drinks menu, the bar menu. Pretty standard prices. Nothing over the top, nothing especially cheap, but look at the cocktails. Yum. Be rude not to show you the food as well that they've got. And both me and Hayley have gone with the hot dog. Well, there's the hot drinks as well. Cheaper than Costa. So now we've got everything included in our summer fest deal. So yeah, for about, was it £40, Hayley, was it?
It was 39 something, so yeah.
Call it 40 quid. You get obviously your 12 holes of golf, plus you get 2 drinks. Obviously I've gone with Coke, Hayley's gone with a cocktail, but you can get cocktails and you get beers, I think.
Yeah. No, it's a cocktail or a soft drink.
There we go. And then you can have a choice of a hot dog, which we've both gone for, or a burger. So, yeah.
You also get your garlands.
And you get garlands as well. All in all, I'd say it's very good.
It's great value for money.
It is.
Honestly, and I'm actually I really enjoyed the golf.
Yeah. How did you get on in the golf again? Just remind the viewers.
I lost by like 5, 6, by 3. So you can't really big yourself up that much, can you?
Still won. That's more than enough. So up these stairs where we walk, there's actually some other place. You come upstairs, you find the third course called Coney Island, not the one in America. So that brings our date night at the Volcano Volcano Falls, I will get it right, Volcano, to an end. We just had a 20 quid in the arcade, the world's loudest arcade.
Yeah, it was quite loud, to be fair.
But yeah, no, what do you think of it? It's really good golf, isn't it? Crazy golf.
I think it's really good value for money, especially like 20 quid each when you get...
It's fresh as well, brand new.
Yeah, you get so much included in it. It's 100% worth the money. They do have 3 courses, so we will be going back to do the other 2.
Yeah, in the summer fest deal that we got, it was only 1 course with the food and drink, which is fine, you know. It was 12 holes anyway, so there's a lot. You wouldn't... I think the most you can do is 2 courses.
Yes.
2 courses, which...
So, yeah, you can do a 2-course combo,
but I think that's enough, because that's 24 holes anyway.
Yeah.
I mean, you wouldn't want to do 36. 36 is a lot in crazy golf. But yeah, really enjoyed it. Get yourself down to Xscape Milton Keynes. You want a crazy golf? With that,
If you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you
on our next adventures. See you on the next adventure. Bye.